If you have power off verification enabled on your OPPO Find X9 and now you cannot turn off your phone because you don't remember the password, in order to actually power off the device, what you can do is we can perform a force restart into the recovery mode. So in order to do that, first we will have to press and hold the power button and volume up button. We will have to hold these two buttons until the screen turns off. After that, once the screen turns off, you will have to switch volume up to volume down. So you will have to hold power button and volume down. And then once you see the OPPO logo, you will have to hold volume down only. So let me demonstrate. We're gonna press and hold power button and volume up. And then once the screen shuts down, we're gonna switch volume up to volume down. So just keep holding. There we go, now we switch to volume down. So power button and volume down is now pressed, and now just volume down. And now we need to keep holding the volume down button until we go to the recovery mode, where first we'll have to select the language. There we go. Now over here you can use, for example, volume buttons in order to choose a different option. You can also just tap on the screen as well, so we can select English. And over here, we should be able to find the power off option, so we can select it and then confirm that you want to do that. And now the phone is completely off. Now there is a chance that if you turn it back on, you will be back into the recovery mode. So let's see if that's the case. There is a chance that we will have to exit the recovery mode, but if not, then of course you will just have the normal mode again. And it seems that we actually go back into the normal mode, so that's all good. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.